This is pretty much going to be the last test I do as far as the waterproofing goes. I put a third and fourth coat of wax on the jacket. It's looking a lot better. I'm going to turn this light on. Alright. It's coarse. I'm going to use it as a fishing jacket slash outdoors jacket. Not really something I'm going to wear too much out and about. You can tell it's splotchy in some areas. I might fix it, I might not. I kind of like the look of this jacket for what it is. Alright, I've tested before, but just for the sake of showing you guys. Yep, water beads right off. Water beads right off. That's it. So all that is wax. That's a candle, paraffin candle that I put on there. Let me see. See right there? All that water just going, dripping right off of there. Sometime later, I might put another 5th or 6th coat of wax. That thing is heavy. I've tried it on twice, and compared to what it was yesterday, this jacket is super heavy. It's like wearing, it feels like it's, I don't know, I have a garbage bag at some point, but it's actually pretty decent for what it is. Like I said, it's going to be my fishing jacket, my outdoors work jacket. You can tell that water dripping right off. Nothing's soaking through. When I put that in the bucket to distress it a little bit, that thing had it soaked up a lot of water, and there is no water going through there at all. So the whole experiment has paid off for what it was. That's pretty much half a candle I put into that thing. Alright, until next time. Later.